Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I am making some pork croquettes, I guess you could call them. And in this container, I put 4 pork chops, an egg, and actually I put 2 eggs. One was off camera. And I blended it to chop it up, and then for the second part of it, after I removed half the meat, I added these vegetables: peppers, onions, and garlic. So I put it in there, and now I'm going to puree the meat. Alright, so I needed more water. So I added about 2 tablespoons of water to that. Alright, and blended it up, and now you're going to see how pureed this actually is. Look at this. So do whatever you need to do to get it out, and then we'll move on to the next step. Alright, now I'm mixing the 2 different textured meat up. And so here you can see how the 2 are a bit different, and that will aid in the mouthfeel. So now I'm adding about a ½ cup of Italian breadcrumbs. Now you may notice I didn't add any seasoning, and that is because the pork chops already had salt and pepper on them, and then there's also salt and pepper and other seasonings in the Italian breadcrumbs. So we have plenty of seasoning inside here. So I just wanted to make sure this was well blended, and scrape the sides and underneath. Make sure you get everything mixed up. Alright, now that everything's mixed up, we're going to form these into patties. So you can make as many patties as you like. You can make them smaller, you can make them larger. It's up to you. You could even make them very thin. So now I have them done. And I got 8 right there. So now I'm going to put it in a skillet. And while I was forming the patties, I had the skillet heating up on medium. And then once I put them in, I actually lowered it to low because I don't want them to brown before they're done on the inside. Alright, and then I noticed that they did get a little uneven, so I decided once I flipped them over to keep them moving so they get the same color all around. Alright, so it took about 5 to 8 minutes for them to cook. Alright, and then once they are cooked, you want to remove them onto a plate with paper towels or a cooling rack where the fat can drain from them. So in this case I used peanut oil to cook, but whatever you want to use is fine. And you don't even have to use this much oil. You could, just cook them in a dry pan as well. Alright, don't these look gorgeous? They're so good. Look at that, so beautiful. Let me see, I'm gonna pick that one. That one's like my favorite right now. Okay, so look how beautiful golden that is. It's a nice crunch on the outside. The texture, because I did do the 2 different textures, it's very nice. The mouthfeel was very good. So I'm doing a taste test. And I think they were perfectly seasoned. Someone else said they needed a little more salt for their taste. But it just depends on you. So I give it a thumbs up. Yeah, definitely. It's very, very good. So look, I'm gonna give it another big thumbs up. Yay! So yeah, these are really good, y'all. So I do want to thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Stick around, watch more videos. Tell other people about my channel. I cannot wait to get to that 1K. And I'll be able to do more things with you guys with this channel. So be safe out there, everyone. Take care and peace.